Good morning, my dear friends. We are happy to share our weekly research paper being published on every Monday. Like 125 FAQs on guidances for doing business in USA. It's relevant for your kind understanding about doing business in USA through our 21 pilot points after Trump became president of USA in year 2024. USA is prominent market for foreign investors where several foreign companies are planning to enter it with understanding that USA's market will be key consideration for their long-term success. USA is covering approximately 50% of world's total production. USA is covering approximately 25% of world's total consumption for most of goods and most of service. USA is permitting 100% foreign investment in most of sectors which most favorable regulatory environment in world. USA is permitting equal rights and equal opportunity for foreign companies and also foreign nationals except few exceptions. USA is having highly educated and skilled workforce, approximately 180 million, to attract foreign investors. USA is having highly developed infrastructure for transformation, communication and electrical power to support advanced industrial, commercial and also agricultural activity. USA's technology, manufacturing and service industries are important sectors for an investor. USA is not having unemployment due to tight labor market. USA is Federal Republic of 50 states and also District of Columbia, Washington DC, both. Original American colonies have achieved their independence from England in 1976. Thereafter, USA is operating under approximately 250 years old constitution. 50 individual states are permitted to exercise their high degree of autonomy and play important role in business regulations. USA's state governments are legislating, administrating civil and criminal laws within their jurisdiction to regulate activity like education, utility, insurance and also state banks. USA's federal government and also municipal governments both are acting within state guidelines for operating public facility and also services like law enforcement, public safety, clean water, water system and also local roads. Separate school districts have operational authority over publicly supported education at local level. Foreign investors are required to handle USA's wide diversity of regulation, service, state tax and also local tax. Foreign investors are benefited with competition among USA's various jurisdictions to attract foreign investors. Foreign investors are facing problems for handling 50 states' rules, tax regime and also understanding patchwork of state regulation. Foreign investors are benefited with the state's laws, regulations which are transparent and also evenly applied within a state except few exceptions. USA's local bureaucracy are working for creating cooperative, also helpful environment. USA is known for best place for having plenty of opportunity, especially these comments after 1850 when USA's economy has started shifting from farming to industry. Our research papers are being published weekly under our special program known as Darshan Mala series for knowing our legal provisions and also working of various enforcement agencies like Indian acts like Prevention of Corruption Act, Indian enforcement agency like ED, DRI, CBI, NIA, SFIO, DGI, TCI, DGGI and many more. Different Indian regulatory authorities like IFSCA, RBI, SEBI, NCB, RAW, EOW, IB, CBC, NCLT, FIUND and many more. You may click on the following links for viewing our brief profile available on Google where our 95 research papers are available like 2 books, 3 newsletters and 90 articles for your kind reading and reverting back to us. Thank you.